Let's refer to past year question 22. You are given function fx equals to ex and function g as a modulus of x minus 3. Then we would like to show that the composite function of fg is equals to the piecewise function in this form here, which is a combination of two exponential functions. And how we happen to solve these questions here, let's see. So first of all, we need to have the idea. We start with the composite functions calculation, where what we know about the idea for composite function is that one of the way we can interpret is as if like we substitute the function g into function f. So in other words, if you refer to function f, whichever part that I have x, it's as if like we are going to erase it and replace with gx. And as a result, you find out I have e gx. And by the time I substitute the gx, this is referred to e to the power of modulus x minus 3. And up to here, how can I happen to get the answer as the shown there in piecewise function? Is that we need to recall back the knowledge on defining modulus. For example, when the time I have modulus y, I can define it in two ways, which is y itself for the case of my y having greater than 0, negative y when the time my y is happen to be less than 0. And if you notice, I haven't inserted the equal sign. So where should I insert the equal sign? By right, either part will do, either in the greater or less than will do, because it makes no difference for the value. However, in our notes, we usually put on the greater part. That's why in here I put in the greater part. And therefore, according to this idea here, refer back to our modulus. So you will see the x minus 3 in the modulus is corresponding to y, and therefore it gives us first result e to the power of positive x minus 3, which is the positive y case. And if y corresponding to x minus 3, so I have x minus 3 greater equal to 0. And please compare. Then the other case where happens to be the case of minus bracket x minus 3, where you can see now your x minus 3 is corresponding to the y in these definitions here. And this is not end of the story, because the interval here, the inequalities here, it haven't happened to be simplified. And when the time you happen to simplify it, you should be able to find out that you can get the answer as what's stated in the questions. And we have proved it and we have shown. So this is how we get the answer for the part A.